viewers, my name is Joseph from Joe's Page, and you're warmly welcome to today's lesson. The lesson for today is how to remove dual boot option when starting your PC or laptop. If you have not subscribed to this channel or liked this video, kindly do so for more computer and smartphone related videos. About dual boot option. The dual boot option pops up when starting your PC or laptop. This allows you to choose the operating system you want to run on your device, especially when you have 2 or more operating systems on your device. To get rid of this option, you need to have only one operating system functioning on your device. And to do that, you need to erase or delete the operating system or systems you don't need or run anymore. So now let us move to the practical aspect of deleting an operating system. In doing that, we move to the Start button, we click on it, and in the Start menu, we type in MSConfig. We have the system configuration here. We select the first option, that is Open. We move on top here and we select the second option, that is the Boot tab. Here I have only one operating system on my device. If you have 2 or more operating systems on your device, what you need to do is to select the operating system you don't need anymore, and you come down here, the delete will be highlighted. You click on delete and you move down here also, you click on the apply button and you click on the OK button. After deleting the operating system or systems, you need to restart your device and you will not see the option anymore. If you had difficulties in doing that, you can kindly leave a comment below and I will try as much as possible to help you out. This is the end of today's lesson, and if you want more of computer and smartphone tips and secrets, kindly subscribe and like to support this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.